Unlock the secrets to turning your clutter into cash. Discover how to sell on Facebook Marketplace like a pro and watch your profits soar. Whether you are clearing out your garage or launching a side hustle. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into facebook.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various things to know it, but let's get started. So selling on Facebook Marketplace is a game changer for anyone looking to declutter or start a side hustle. In this video, we'll delve into the ultimate tips for creating a catchy listings, setting competitive prices, and maximizing your reach. From choosing the right keywords to mastering negotiation tactics, we will cover everything you need to know to sell successfully. Stick around until the end for exclusive insights that could skyrocket your sales. So the first you have here, you click over it and you will just select marketplace and you click over marketplace and you will find this page. We have here first browse all, notifications, inbox, buying, selling. We have create new listing, location, then we have here niches, for example vehicles, property for rent, classified, clothing, electronics, entertainment, also family, free stuff, garden and outdoors, hobbies, home goods. We have home improvement supports, musical instruments. We have office supports, pet supports, property for sale, sporting goods, toys and games. Then we have buy and sell groups also. So you can just select the niche you want. For example, I will just click over clothing, then you select shoes. Then here we have the minimum price and the max price condition also to find you the one you want. Then we have brand, gender also. Then you get started. So right now you have just to click over create new lesson to get started and create your own product. We have here item for sale, create a single lesson for one or more items to sell. You have a vehicle for sale, sell a car, van or other type of vehicle. You have property for sale or rent. Then you have list a house or flat for sale or rent. I will choose the first one. Then you'll find this page. So we have your listing preview. As you create your listing, you can preview how it will appear to others on marketplace. So you have just firstly to click over here to add a photo of your product. So I will choose this one or this one or also this one. I will just click over open, or you can just select all listings. That's true. Then you click over open. So we have here 3, as you can see. 3 on 10. You can add up to 10. So as you can see, I have 3. You can just add it like that. Then you have your title, price listed a few seconds ago in Chambry. Details, for example, description will appear here. Then you have seller information also. So these things you have just to scroll down to link it here. We have required here be as descriptive as possible. Write your title, for example, shoes, basketball. Then we have the price here, $50. Then we have category, select if it's objects and collectibles, arts and crafts, vehicle parts and accessories, baby products, packs and luggage. Then we have books, films and music, mobile phones and accessories. You have clothing, shoes and accessories, electronic, furniture, health and beauty, home and kitchen, jewelry and watches. We have various niches here for tools, sporting goods, pasture. Then we have also paper product. So you can just select your niche. For example, what is it? Shoes, clothing, shoes and accessories. Then you have here baby clothing and shoes, children's clothing and shoes, and accessories means clothing means shoes. I will click over this one. Then you select if it's post, sandals, slippers, I'd like shoes. Of course, I will click offer this one. Then you have condition here if it's new or used like new, used good, used fair. I will click over the first one because it's new, as you can see. So then you have more details, attract more interest by including more details. About this one, we have post listing after it's been published. Add a step to post your listing after it's published to help you reach more potential buyers by turning it into an ad. Then we have hide from friends. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger in most cases. I will just switch on here if you want. If you don't want, you have just to switch off this. So we have here men's shoe size. I will select the size, then we have brand here, then we have activity, if it's athleisure, basketball, dance, hiking, pilots, running, skateboarding, football, surfing, tennis, street running. So I will select this one, basketball. Then you will have to write the color red and black. Then we have description also, new shoes, basketball, Kyrie Irving. Infinity, I will select the type. Then we have here availability, list as a single item or list as a stock. About this first one, if you are selling one item, show only one on your list as in stock. If you are selling more than one item, so I'll select the second one because I have two. Here we have this one and this one. Then we have product tags, also SKU. Then we have location, meet up preference. Buyers will be able to see your preference on your list. The public meetup, meet in a public location. Door pick up, buyer picks up at your door. Door drop off, we drop off at buyer's door. Then we have here the last thanks marketplace. Items are public and can be seen by anyone on or off. Items such as animals, drugs, weapons, counterfeits, and other items that infringe intellectual property aren't allowed on marketplace. See our community commerce policies. So, Sale on Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including access to a vast audience of local buyers, making it easier to sell items quickly. The platform allows for seamless communication, enabling direct interaction with potential customers. Additionally, it's user-friendly and free to use, eliminating the need for listing fees found on other marketplaces with tools to create bulk listings and options for sharing within local groups. Sellers can maximize visibility and increase their chances of successful sales, all while fostering a sense of community. So this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.